Now we're going to demonstrate a capsize with a T Rescue to get my friend back in the boat and the water out of the boat. Actually, in a reverse order to that. Boat over. I've got him. Hang on to your paddle, hang on to your boat. Throw your boat over. You have your paddle. Put my weight in front of the cockpit, my hand on the thigh brace. Eric, pull yourself up on the boat with your head that way. Help you get your feet. Roll over towards me. Watch your spray skirt. Okay, he's back in the boat, but the rescue's not over until he gets his spray skirt on, feet on the foot pegs, and says he's happy. That was the assisted T Rescue. Next, we're going to have the paddle float self-rescue, and he's going to have to do that on his own.